Yeah, what's up guys, it's Johnny. Today we got this 2018 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. What we're doing today guys is installing this 3-piece carbon fiber lip for the front bumper of this car guys. So we got this off eBay and the link is down in the description. If you guys are interested, check that out. It came with 8 screws but we only used 6, and here's 1, 2, 3 and 4 of them. So we used 4 screws to go ahead and hold that piece from the middle up onto the bumper. They all screw from the bottom up. There's no screws here in this area, but it still feels solid. All the screws are under here and that piece feels good. It's solid, it's on there, it ain't going nowhere. We still need the left and the right side. So these 2 pieces here, we're gonna go ahead and install them. So I did the right piece and we got the left piece here. So this is the right piece and the middle piece, they're both on there and they all feel solid, they're good, and that's what it's looking like so far. So we're good. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and grab that other piece and we're gonna go ahead and put that on. So check that out guys. Just hold it in place while you go under and screw it, or have someone hold it in place while you go under and screw it in with those self-tapping screws in your driver. But that's pretty much it. It's an easy installation, it's quick, it's easy, and the link is down in the description. If you guys are interested in that, check it out. But that's what it looks like right there guys. Check it out. I think it looks a lot better, gives the car a better look. Carbon fiber lip, 3-piece set. It comes with 8 screws and we only used 6. The reason we only used 6 is because the pieces overlap. I'm gonna show you guys right now what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna go under the car right now. Well, not under, but check it out. Look, so this is what I'm talking about. 2 of the pieces overlap, so you only need 1 screw there. That's 1 screw. This one right here is its own. That's just 1 screw holding its own piece, and that's another. So that's what, 1, 2, 3 screws. Here we have 4, 5. It overlaps again, that 5th one, and 6 right there. So out of the 6 screws, 2 of them overlap, so they give you 2 extra ones, I guess, if you lose one or whatever. Anyways, there it is. We're all done guys. That's the installation. Again, quick, easy, carbon fiber 3-piece set lip for this Alfa Romeo Stelvio year 2018, but this also fits the 2017 according to the manufacturer. But other than that, yeah, we're done guys. Now get off my grass. All right, cool. So I appreciate you guys watching my videos, man. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe.